Today we are launching Connecticut Trial Firm 3.0. If you're like, what does Connecticut Trial Firm look like a year from now, right? Like, where are we? And what are the things that we have in place? We are entering a new chapter in our growth. We're defining who it is we are, where it is we're going, who it is on our team, and who it is going to be on our team.
Well, I trust the people in this room, and I know they trust me, and I know I can rely on them to do a good work, and they're good people, and that's all I needed. That's all I need to be comfortable with where we're headed and what our plan is, and that's why it's so important for us to have the right people in the right seats. So you guys know, no matter what happens, if you're anxious or there's a change, Carla, Jackie has your back, she has yours. Like, that we're here, we're a family, we mean it. And so that's why I'm grateful you're all here. It begins with trust and good people, and that's why we are who we are, and why we will meet every one of our goals and exceed them this year.
Only day 4 here, so I guess take this with a grain of salt. You don't know me yet. And on day 1, when Ryan's showing me all the principles, I'm like, wow, they're so thoughtful. They're so purposeful in everything they do.
Our software is better. How we use our software is better. How we organize our data is better through things like being able to get medical records within 30 minutes. That'll feel like magic.
That's something really cool and powerful that you guys have here, that they're invested in everyone and making this a team and having the same vision from when the case comes in the door through, settlement or judgment or, however it resolves itself.
If we can take away the mundane, if we can take away the things that grind us down, then we can do the important work, the human work, for each other and for the community.